win, Mario.
No!
Yay!
Oh.
Go, Luigi. Go, Luigi.
Luigi, you're so lucky. I can't believe that you're always so lucky. Take this. Hiya! Mario, we have to figure out a way that Luigi won't be so lucky anymore.
What did you say?
Luigi, we were just talking about, that you're awesome and you're so lucky.
Oh, thank you, Radio. Thank you, Toad.
But Luigi, it's so lucky it's so stupid when you're always lucky like that. I hate it.
So, I'm lucky, because I'm cool. You gotta learn how to be more cool.
Just battle us, Luigi.
Fine. Let's go. Oh, come on, Yoshi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's
Toad's so stupid.
Toad, let's do an attack where we can both hit him.
What? No! You're so stupid, guys. You don't know what you're doing. No.
No!
Ha-ha! I have Toad!
No! Toad! 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 Woohoo! I got Toad!
Yoshi!
I got Toad, and you can't get him back. Huh, because he's my
You.
No!
That's it, Mario.
What?
You're dying.
Come on, Toad.
Yeah. Oh. Ah.
No! Toad, we gotta jump or else they'll kill us. Come on. Yeah. Oh.
Idiots. 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 Oh, my brother. Oh, my brother. Oh, my brother. Well, he deserved it anyway. Come on, Yoshi.
Ooh. We made it, Toad. But we're a little...
You're tired? You're tired?
A little...
You're tired? You're tired? You're tired? He's tired! He's tired! Ah, he's tired! Ow.
Luigi, we're just a little... We've got little wounds that...
You say you're tired.
Ugh.
You're tired. Hey, Yoshi, he's tired. Come on. Yoshi. Yoshi. Ha 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 ha. Ah 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 ha ha ha. Yoshi!
Luigi died.
Yeah, I've been working out, Jim. Look at these pumped things. Okay. We win! 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 We
Yeah. Haha. You didn't think we would be stuck in there, did you, Luigi? And I can't believe you're my brother, by the way. I'll be taking Yoshi, thank you.
Yoshi! Yoshi!
Come on, we gotta go. on! We will win! I promise!
Well, I am lucky in the mushroom kingdom. Wah, wah, wah!
Ah!
Wah, wah, wah!
No.
Wah, wah, wah! Wah, wah, wah!
Dude.
Wah, wah, wah!
Toad!
Wah, wah! One down, one to go.
No! Maybe at least I have 1-up mushrooms, so I don't have.
No, you don't. When I kill you, you can't grab one because you're like dead.
Yeah, that might be a little. Why am I blabbing about this? Yeah. Boom.
Ow, my head.
Yeah,
My
you're
wobbly
actually.
head. Ow.
Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, yeah.
You steal my partner! You see, kill Mario!
Well, you got Luigi.
Well, the battle's not over yet, because this video is to be continued!